Hello, this is Kazuki Motohashi. I'm a professor at the University of Tokyo, and in this video, I'd like to explain you about innovation opportunity discovery. So this is an activity using a machine learning model to predict future technology and product. Okay, so in this system, so there is some science-based innovation activities based on some scientific finding. For example, like if you have found some very big science in a life science, then that will be, many cases published in a research paper. And so if a pharmaceutical company wants to develop the products out of this scientific finding, you need to get some patent. And finally, so after product development process runs something like a clinical research, then the products, which is pharmaceutical products, will be launched. So this process you can track by linking research paper data and patent data and service data. So we are actually creating a machine learning model to predict for the transformation process from science, technology, and products. And so we think that we can use this machine learning model for some some practical use. So this is what we call the innovation opportunity discovery. So our system is centered around innovation process transformation engine, which is just I explained based on database. So we have a huge database of research paper, patents, and products, as well as a machine learning system. You make some transformation from one to another. And but this system is coming as an input, as a company name, patent, or contents category. So you can input any keywords or company name. Then after this kind of transformation engine process, then we can get some responses out of potential technology or market. So basically, when you're looking at this, so you can input research paper or patent, then you can predict what kind of products would be possible out of those potential science technology. But we also have some reverse prediction, like there are some existing products, and then what will be the technology, or what will be the R&D, what you are actually better to do. So those two-way actually system. This is what we have developed. So what are the potential application? So again, so input can be a patent or research paper of your own. So if you're a company, so your company have some patents, so those patents, or maybe you can input any type of patent, something like you are curious about your competitor's patent. What will be potential products out of this? So then output is the market. So based on the technology, and this system can predict what are the market out of this. So if you have a lot of patent and you don't know what kind of product or services which you developed, so this is the things that this machine can predict. And also once you get some information about the potential market, maybe also these services can produce potential business partners, because we have a huge database for the company, so we can identify what will be the company which are matched with a potential market based on your products. So those companies can be a potential business partner because you have a technology, and then this company can sell it or develop it. Or maybe potential licensee because you have a patent, so you can license your patent out to this company. So potential user of this company is a private company, but tech-based. So those companies which have patents or scientific, kind of finding or whatever, some technical contents. Or so those, but so for those users again, so this system predicts a potential market. And it could be the case that technology licensing office of university, because university has some patent, and TLO is a place where finding potential licensee. So you input university patent here, then you can get some, market, or maybe you can get some potential, business partner, or those company which are doing this business. Those are the natural, good candidate for you to, to seek for their potential licensing activities. And also venture capital companies may be interested in this project to find out based on some technology and what are the innovation trend. Okay, but another way to use this is you can input product services of your own again. So some others like your competitors, then get some technology. So this is a technology opportunity. So reverse way, or in this case, potential R&D partner, because you already have some market, and you try to find out some potential. So what kind of technology you are going to develop? Market, your customer, right? So in this case, this gives you, if you are tech-based firms, then maybe this will lead to some implication for your R&D strategy, right? Because again, so what will be our next, technological development? It's better for you to do to make some differentiation of your current product. Or even though you are not a tech-based company, big company, and then this system can be used for technology acquisition partner, because you have a market, big company have a market, but you don't have enough technology. So in this case, this system can find out so potential R&D partner, or maybe potential licensor, or maybe you can just acquire this company. And the transformation process from input to output. So current system is based on a high-tech company, in Japan. So we use a Japanese high-tech company, tech-based startup company as a basis. But there are some options that we can use some pattern for the Thai company or Silicon Valley startup company. We have in our data set, we have a Thai company information, also US company information. So this can be another option for you to get out of those output. Okay, so this is a kind of example which I could explain a little bit based on Hakuto company. So this is a Japanese listed company focusing on the electrical device. And so this is a market opportunity. So based on their patents, so they have a patent, IPC subclass C23G, for example, and then those are the products which can be developed out of their patent, but not current their market. So their current market is basically those type. So which is a battery or semiconductor device. So those are the actually product they are producing, but they have their patent, and this patent can be used for coating rare metals, something like variety of coating, something like a thin film type technologies. They can use it. Okay, so here is a technology opportunity discovery again. So this is their products already, but they don't have enough patent for those type. So this can give this company about the R&D strategy. This is the way you are focusing on your R&D. If you want to strengthen your products, you make some differentiation of these products by technologically out of their competitor. So finally, so I like to introduce some of the things that we are doing for the business development. So first of all, we are actually doing individual consultation services. So this service is with particular company, and then fine tuning. Now we are dealing with a company with a fine chemical engineering, and we are investigating potential partners, mainly in university TLO and tech-based company in Thailand, because I told you that we have a, in our data set, we have a Thai company patent and products information as well. And we are also trying to develop web services. So this is under development. Target is this year, May. And so this system is basically you input those type of technology, then you can get those products, or maybe you input those products, then get some technology. So this is dealt by freely accessed by web base. So this is what we are going to do as well. And finally, there are lots of actually technical development is going on. So one is of course improving machine learning model. And also, at this moment, we have a Japanese, Thai language, but we are now developing English, of course, and also Chinese. So we try to cover lots of languages under the multilingual environment. So there are some videotape, which is my technical background out of our system. So that's all for me, and thank you for listening.